All right, as you can probably see by the title of the video, this is the last programming every day until I got a job, because I got the call yesterday after I recorded the previous video. I guess no Pokemon sound of the day today because my setup is just completely different. I'm back home, Thanksgiving break and all that. But just to kind of talk about, this whole journey, it's episode 64. So 64 was the last one. I say in quotes, guys, because I have zero intentions of stopping. I'm doing this till I get bored, okay? Which will be a while. Because I have noticed a pretty substantial improvement in my software engineering skills, the way I think and all that. And I'm not going to lie, since day one, I was not going to stop after I got a job. But I got it, went into the interview, passed the technical, passed the behavioral, started drawing shapes, arrows, squares, circles, numbers on the whiteboard. I was Picasso in that whiteboard. I guess they liked it. It's Geico, by the way. I got an internship at Geico, the insurance company, with the gecko, not a lizard. But yeah, it's actually been crazy, honestly, because when I first started this, I thought my videos would get like 10 views, maybe 100 views would be like a big video or whatever. But no, they're getting like 1K average, it feels like 800 to like the 1K range. And we're almost at 3,000 subscribers. That's 3,000 people. That's crazy, man. I never expected that, because I guess I would never watch these videos. I would maybe click on them, see what's going on, skip through. I think that's what most people do, is they click on a video, they skip through some parts, watch 3 minutes and be like, okay, that's cool, next video. I can tell by the user retention that's mostly what happens. But some people really they do watch it. Maybe they get something from it. I will say what I get from it is when I get, the subscribers validate, that they I'm doing something right, and that they're getting something from it. Why would you subscribe if you're not getting anything from this? So that's cool. And second, the comments on every video, I really appreciate every single comment, most of the comments. Okay, I appreciate most of the comments. I'm going to be blunt. Because, like people have said in the comments, it motivates them to kind of do their own thing after seeing me do it. Motivates, inspires. Some people have even started. I copied that one guy, Lovely Transposition is that guy's name. I think he just ended his 200 plus streak. So I just copied him. I changed it a little, I changed the title, and I have a little Pokemon theme going. But other than that, it's the same shit. Do some Leetcode, do some project work. But yeah, I started, and then there was a couple people that have started after me, so that's really cool, I guess. I don't know, I can't believe I had that much influence on someone else. Just doing, recording a video every day, posting it. And the comments, of course, just going back to that. It's nice to see what people are kind of thinking, because a lot of the things people are saying is not something I would have expected making these types of videos. There's some people what surprises me a lot, I think, is when people would comment about a specific part about the video, and it's 40 minutes in. I'm I'm thinking to myself, did you skip to 40 minutes and it was just coincidence and you made a comment? Or did you watch up until 40 minutes? It's you watch up until 40 minutes? What are you doing? And then last video, I did for the people who commented W in the chat, okay, in the comment section, you will know, we know, I know, okay, trust, I know. But that was a very specific part in the video that I don't know, there was no reason for you to skip to that part, you would have to do it completely, so I want to believe that those people really did watch 25 or whatever minutes, however when. I guess it's an Easter egg if you want to try to find it in my previous video. But no, that's just crazy to me. The journey has been crazy. It took a Minecraft stack 64 to get this job. And it's great. I start next summer. It's fully remote. I get to chill here at home. I don't know how I feel about that, because, my social life is just going to go into the dumpster. But I guess that's the price you pay. But man, it's been pretty crazy, because, and also my phone was totally dry. it was, no notifications, no nothing. And now I'm like refreshing, getting all these YouTube notifications. Oh my God. It really has been cool. It feels like a little community that I got going on, like passively building. And it's really nice to see, and talking about like a Discord server, I'm not sure still if I want to start that. That just sounds like a lot of work. And then I have to moderate it. And then like, I just know people are going to post the worst, the most horrendous media to ever be witnessed. I just have that feeling. I think that's what happens with every like public Discord. You have to moderate it. And that's just like a lot of work that like, do I really want to do that? And like for what? Like, what am I going to do? Like, I'm just going to talk to you? Talk about what? Like we talk about a little bit about some coding stuff, but it's like, it's coding and like programming software development is mostly like doing, how often are you like, I don't know. That's just kind of my thoughts about it. But as you can probably see by the video length, I'm going to do a little bit of Leetcode. I'm at home, so I don't have the computer here. So I'm kind of stuck. Like my environment and stuff like that is all on my old PC. Now I'm on my laptop. And I swear to God, okay, now that I said it, there's going to be some comments like ironic, okay? But man, people commenting, why are you on Windows? I thought you were on Linux. I'm on my fucking laptop. Sorry, my bad. Fucking stupid. Yeah, I really just have nothing else to say. I'm just kind of grateful for this whole experience, and we're just gonna keep going. We're gonna keep chilling. I should have done this earlier, but 6 minutes in, almost 7. I need ideas for the new title of the video because I found the job. So I had some options. I was either gonna just keep the title and like the people who know, like just kind of know, because it's a good clickbait title. Like it's like, oh my God, this guy's doing an interesting challenge. He's coding till he gets the job. That's interesting. I hope he gets it or whatever. There's not like, I can't think of another good clickbait title like that. Like the other guy was doing programming every day until I graduate college. And I think it's a good title, but the problem with it is that like, you're going to graduate college kind of like no matter what. Okay, unless you like fail all your classes, you're going to graduate. But for a job, you have to pass this interview, you have to do all this horseshit to kind of get it. And like the videos are like, are supposed to be improving it. So it's like every new video is like he's getting closer to the goal. But not just on the time scale, but in terms of like his like skill progression, he's getting closer to the goal. His skills are meeting the expectations. And I don't know what kind of like title I would have if not that. So I don't know, drop some ideas below if you get to this get to this part of the video. But man, it's been crazy. I think I'm gonna get into some Leetcode now. Guys, I'm recording this audio on my phone, okay? Because I try to record on my laptop and that microphone is straight garbage. So we don't want that. We want a good microphone experience. That's why I did the clap at the beginning to sync it. But yeah, let's open, I'm like on like 2 monitors. Okay. Oh, what the fuck? I mean, guys, even just like going through like all these videos, I mean, like look at it. I was just not expecting this many views, like 1.2, 1.7, 1K, 780, 1.3. Who the hell is watching these videos? Like on a real note, bro? Like, I don't know. So yeah, that's been so chill, guys. And the Pokédex theme is, I just really like the Pokédex theme. I think it's really cool. And I got to do a 12-hour challenge. This one right here. That video was that was tough to make. I remember being done with it. That was the most satisfying feeling I've ever felt. But, yeah, so I think I'm just going to jump into some Leetcode, I guess. I'm behind 3 lectures in my stats class, so I'm not really sure how much I'm trying to really, do this right now. Or like how long I'm trying to go. It should be chill though. What the fuck? Hello? My setup is a little bit weird right now as well. All right, evaluate reverse Polish notation. Got the job and we're just still doing Leetcode because I'm autistic as fuck. No, I'm trying to get like good at C++. And I think a quick way to learn the syntax is you just do like Leetcode problems that you're like half familiar with. So like you're kind of solving a Leetcode problem and you're learning the language. But also, what was I gonna say? I was gonna say something I forgot. I'm not signed in. The hell? I was gonna say like, yeah, I think after the new year, I want to get started with some competitive programming. I want to get a little bit okay at that, because the goal is by next year when like I have to start applying again. I'm like, ideally, I'm like really good at Leetcode and Leetcode style problems. Not even Leetcode style, like just like DSA problems and like thinking algorithmically or whatever. So I think, yeah, I want to be like relatively good at that. Like way better than the average person. But not some like, I'm not trying to go no tourist on you, But anyway, let's just get started with this problem here. And this mic setup, dude, this whole setup is like kind of, anyway, what do you got to do again? You got to put them in the stack, and then you got to like pop them, and then you got to do that operation. Okay, that's chill. Okay, so let's do a set. Let's do an unordered set. Unordered set. Of ints. No, not ints. Chars. So we call ops for operation. Ops. Okay, and then what is it like? This? Let's just try plus. Is char like, does it need to be like this? See, I don't totally understand the difference between this and C++. Like I know like this is a char, like the single quotes are chars and the double quotes is a string. Like the chars do not have an end. Like they don't have the end character, like the null termination character. Null character 0 at the end. Anyway, the null is that what it's called though? I'm trying to like, yeah, this thing, the null terminator. Straight out the movie. Yeah, it doesn't really got that. So, what was I talking about? I don't know, something stupid probably. And then we're gonna need division, and then let me just make sure this runs. It's freezing in my room. My room like doesn't get proper, oh shit, it doesn't get proper heating. Okay, so now we need a stack. Gonna do stack. What ints? My stack. See, this probably needs to be string then. Whoops. Man, this keyboard is not letting. Okay, my stack, return -1, blah, blah, blah. That's chill. Chill/kill. Sorry, no one gets that joke. Okay. We're gonna need 4. it's a vector, so a string. So for string s tokens. Let me just make sure this works, because I still just feel so iffy on this language. 2, okay, awesome. If ops dot contains s, is it guaranteed to be valid? If ops dot contains s, then something needs to happen. Let me just make sure. Okay. Gotta make sure my phone is recording. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I have to like get the recording onto my computer and then like combine the clips or some Okay, if ops dot contains s, that's awesome sauce. Then num1 what is it? String or char to int C++. It's the -0, right? Yeah. Okay. Using a toy for C style strings. Using stoy for C++ strings. Yeah, but this isn't a char. I need to do stoi. Stack. What's my stack, right? My stack dot pop. No. It's dot top, and then I pop it. My stack dot pop, and then num2 equals string to integer, my stack dot top, boom boom, my stack dot pop. Why is this? It's like if now I just need to do 10 if statements here. If s is equal to plus, then my stack dot push num1 plus num2, else if s is equal to minus, then my stack dot push. I think it's num2 minus num1. Just by the nature of the stacks. Okay, else if s is equal to multiplication symbol, then my stack dot push num1 times num2, and then else my stack dot push num2 divided by num1. And then that's cool. And then it's else my stack dot push s return stack. Hold on, I don't even know, like, return, what is it, stack dot top? st to integer my stack dot top. I don't think this is gonna work first try, but okay, I feel like would it be easier if I did this? Oh, but it's not recording up there. Oh yeah, dude, wow. And and I'm doing it, and I'm doing this like wrong. This is supposed to be like, well, bad, like this. Oh, and I didn't put a semicolon after any of these. Dude, I'm a terrible coder. Listen, guys, if I can get the interview, you can too. Except I'm low-key a genius, so. No matching function for call. What does that mean? Dude, it is so unbelievably cold in my room right now. Hold on, let me plug in my heater. Dude, I can't pause the recordings because I have it playing on my phone too, so it'd be like awkward to do that. Oh man. Yo, what's the problem? Int num1 st to const string. Is it the wrong one? That's why I hate C++. I can't even print it out. No matching function? You're telling me I'm not allowed to do this? What? No viable conversion from value type? Bro, what? No viable conversion from value type, aka int to string, aka basic char. Are you being dead ass? This is a char? What? Oh, I'm looking getting hungry as shit. Okay, Me when I'm confused as fuck. No, I'm not confused. But I am confused because I said this to string, so is this not a string? I literally set it to string. Okay, whatever, bro. Let's do this. I feel like this is still broken though. I don't. No matching. Are you fucking serious? No matching member function to call push. Why is it an int stack? Okay, if I said char, would this work? Okay, let's try string. Bro, aka std basic. Bro, what? Now I'm getting a different compiler because I changed the stack? Hold on, but if it was a char stack, what happens? Oh, I'm pushing these. No, it needs to be a string stack, bro. Like, what? And then this doesn't work? Wait, let's try going back again. stoi my stack dot top. Okay, I think we're making progress here. This is wrong. This needs to be, this needs to be a string. Or maybe not. Maybe this needs to be an int stack, bro. Int, and then it's just, because all these conversions are kind of dumb. Dude, this laptop screen is making it so hard to like read anything. Can I zoom in? What am I, a grandma? That like didn't really do much. But okay, because I have a monitor like up here, you can't see. Like this is my laptop screen, and I have like a 24-inch. But like I don't know if it's better for me to like look up. Like and my neck's gonna start hurting. I prefer to look down. See, okay, here's the thing, right, guys? I just had this thought. I'm saying all this like stupid shit. Like I prefer to look down. Who gives a fuck where I prefer to look? I don't know. I really don't. But for some reason, either people act like they... I don't know, bro. It don't make sense to me. Anyway, what are we doing again? I'm like, look, you lost. S2I S. And then I don't need this conversion here. It's just beautiful. How, bro? What? Oh, I guess I don't really need a set. Wait, s dot push s stack and in stack. Dude, this guy did the same shit I did. Maybe it's the enhanced for loop. Let's try it with the no enhanced for loop. I feel like this thing is like making mine like go slow or something. I guess I didn't really need this set. I don't know. Length or token. Or is it size? I think it's size for vectors. And then I plus plus. And we'll just do s or string s equals tokens. It's by. Okay. Oh. So let's see. I was at beats 5%. Let's see what this does. Okay, let's try to do that what he did. I don't know if it's Leetcode. I feel like Leetcode's just lying to me. All right, bro. Never mind. Fuck this, bro. Why did it get slower? All right. Okay. Generate parenthesis. What the fuck? Is this a backtrack problem? Loki, I want to do some project work. And also my Vim setup. Oh my god, I don't have it saved anywhere besides locally. Because I was going to redo it anyway. But I just was too lazy to put it on GitHub. And like I would have to do stuff in VS Code. Ew. You know what I'm saying? I'm like a supremacist. Neo-Vim supremacist. Oh shit. I don't want to use VS Code. But I might. What is this? Give an end pair parentheses right a function to generate all combination of well-formed. All right, well, vector of string res. Okay. That's fun. So I need a function, but you like can't, like I would need to do it out here. It would be like void backtrack string pairs or some shit. And this probably needs to be above this. Okay, and it would be like, it would be like string pairs, int left, int right. And then it's like if, guys, do I need a haircut? I feel like such like a Gen Z, even like Gen Alpha almost, bro. Like when I do this, I don't know what I'm talking about. Excuse me. Okay. What am I doing again? I keep like forgetting. I'm like having like lapses in like thinking. I gotta backtrack. Is this really a backtracking problem though? It is, right? It's weird that this is here. I keep like, okay. Okay, if pairs dot length is, oh, I guess I need an n here too. Equal to n. Dude. Res.push back pairs and return, and if left is greater than right, pairs plus equals one of these, and then I have to backtrack right here. Pairs left, oh no, it's these. Left, whoops, right plus 1, and res. That's not annoying. And then if left is less than is it just less than n? Then pairs plus equals one of these, and then backtrack pairs left plus 1 right and res. I feel like that's kind of it, but I don't know. I just call it here. Backtrack zero zero and res, and then just like return res, and I don't know what the problems are going to be. Return, oh, do I have to return something? Oh, it's going to get mad at that return statement, bro. I'm dead, that's just wrong though. Oh, it's n times 2. Oh, my phone is falling. I hope the audio wasn't like kind of screwed up. Yeah, so that's not a well-formed parenthesis. Okay, they all start with it. So it's not this, it's this. But why are there duplicates? Oh, and it's fucking stupid. 1. Bro, look, it's the same. And this is not valid. is it maybe an and statement or and? It should never be able to add it like this. Left plus right. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So at this point it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And n is equal to 3. So 5 plus 1 is less than n times 2. How the fuck do you do this? I've solved this before. See, like, I get this on my interview and I'm low-key screwed. I think it's the way I'm, like, choosing. Like, I should do a cow here. Cow, pairs, \n. A lot of bad. Okay, bang. Why didn't I add another one? Left is less than n. Oh, that's right. Left is left. I don't get it. I thought I just did both of these things, though. Well, I guess I'm not popping to backtrack. Oh. That's the problem. Or how to remove last character from string C++. Is there like an easy way to do it? Erase? I'm really not trying to use the erase function, bro. My string.pop back. You can do this? What is it? Pop underscore back. Where did this function come from? Dude, this should be pair string. This should be a reference. What is it? Pop underscore back. What is it? That's the problem. Error non-const L value. Reference to type string, aka basic string char, cannot bind to a value of unrelated type const char. What if this wasn't here? Then it works? Dude, what? Okay, well, low-key, I guess if I got this in the interview, I would pass. I also would just be able to do it in Python, so, but... Vector string answer. DFS. What does your DFS function look like? You can declare functions like that. Bro, what? Is this a lambda? There we go. Take your time, bro. Okay. Defines a lambda function and assigns it to std function object. Yeah, bro, that really makes sense. What is it in... What? The DFS object now holds the lambda function. The lambda has access to variables in the enclosing scope. Does it actually change the value of x? Well, I guess it does. You can also explicitly specify which variables to... What the fuck? Hold on. What? The brackets in a lambda expression syntax define capture clauses, specifying how variables from the surrounding scope are captured into the lambda. Dude, who the fuck is doing that? Bro, you're telling me people just whip out the lambda? Dude, why is my shit slower than everyone's, bro? 22 ms? That's like fast. Well, what is this guy's? Runtime 3 ms. Fuck off, bro. If L is greater than N or R is greater than N, what is T? Ons dot, oh. Hey, but how did, you can't just do this. L plus 1, T plus, yeah, but what if it's like broken? I don't know. I don't really completely get it. Vector string generate parenthesis. I just don't really get how this protects. Oh, I guess you don't need to have it under, by the way. I don't really understand how this protects under, like, oh, is it because mine is backtracking? What is it, current plus this? How is this, like, not giving you invalid solutions? If L is equal to 0 and right is equal, let me just make sure it's fucking working. Okay. I just don't know. If left is, okay, I mean, that makes sense, but like, why wouldn't it just start with this? Current, string current. No, because it's not backtracking because you're not popping. That's why. That's why it makes no sense to me. When are you doing this? Is it because this is not a reference? Is that why? What does mine look like? Dude, mine looks the exact same. Why is mine slower than his? I really want to understand how this works, by the way. I don't get it. Because, like, what is it? If right is, oh. If right is greater than left. And Okay, I'm just gonna, can you, being implicitly, there's no need to pop or backtrack because the state of current is managed by string immutability. You guys following that? When you pass current, an std string, okay, I mean, that's what I thought. Okay, so okay, but that's what I thought. So if I go back to here and I go back to my own solution, okay, so then is this why? So if I got rid of this here, okay, I get the wrong answer, but what if I do plus and then I do plus? Oh. No. Okay, screw this, bro. I'm not doing it in there. This and pairs. What the fuck? Okay. Did that. Let's do it. Let's just do an easy 2-pointers problem, or like either a linked list. Well, no, we gotta do 2-pointer. I mean, I just know how to do all this shit, but valid palindrome. Okay, now this should be, I don't want to jinx it, guys, but it's gonna be easy. some reason, does this handle? Are you serious? Wait, there's a bunch of other bullshit in here? Dude, are you serious? Two lower. It's just two lower again. Okay. Is it all lowercase? No pun intended. Okay. Okay, and then while L is less than S dot length and S at spot L, check if std string is a alpha character. Is alpha. What does is alpha return? Yeah, this supposed to be easy. Can you, okay, I'm getting tired, yo, can you, I know this is just gonna work though. This is cheating, but it's okay. I'm allowing it this time. Static cast unsigned. What the fuck am I reading? All right, sorry, I'm not even mad. While blah blah, an S or my. Runtime error. Addition of unsigned offset. Oh my fuck. Use a what? Use an explicit string comparison function instead. Are you trolling? Okay. Nope. Nope. Just please help me with syntax here. What's the problem, bro? Just tell me the problem. No, there's no problem, bro. Oh, is it? S dot length -1. What? What is this? Is this a troll? And then let me just see if this whole thing is right. Of course it is. I don't know, bro. This is like confusing. Like there's just so. What? That's what you're saying? Is that the problem? Because it's overflow. It says overflowed. Oh, that's just what was happening. It was just shitty logic. Nah, bro. What's going on? Is Al numb? Oh, he just continues. Okay, let's try this solution. Okay. What is this? Is alphanumeric. So if it's not alphanumeric, then I want to do L++ and then continue. Okay, I like the way it continues. And if 2 lower asset spot L doesn't equal 2 lower asset spot R, then return. I mean, it's just the is alphanumeric. Dude, there's just like 4 different types of strings. Okay, anyway, guys, that's going to be it for me today. Again, guys, I got the job. But there's really nothing else to say. Peace.